Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best marine radios on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Boss Audio Single DIN Bluetooth, best with Bluetooth. This Boss Marine radio combines performance and reliability to create an excellent investment for any boat fan. The solution plays a wide range of different music formats, from USB and SD inputs to AM or FM radio. Bluetooth connectivity means you can easily stream your favorite content too. With a detachable front panel and output options to connect amp speakers, the Boss Marine Radio is a versatile and reliable tool. The front panel UV coating protects your machine from unexpected weather conditions. There's even the option to remember the channels you don't want to lose with a series of presets. For better peace of mind when you're on the move, the Boss radio system comes with waterproofing throughout. Features include AM or FM radio, USB and SD ports, excellent weatherproofing materials, special UV protection coating, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calling, access to audio apps like Spotify, front panel detaching option, connect to external speakers. With the Boss Audio Marine speaker, you can enjoy a fantastic selection of musical formats with ease. The embedded Bluetooth functionality also ensures users can manage calls hands-free, without having to fumble with their phone when they're steering their vehicle. Pros: Bluetooth connectivity, special UV coating and waterproofing, USB and SD ports, access to Bluetooth apps and hands-free calling, detachable front panel. Cons: not the most intuitive design. Number 2. Second best pick is Pyle Marine Head Unit, best with speakers. Another comprehensive kit for anyone in search of a best buy marine radio system, the Pyle Marine Radio System is brimming with value. This in-LCD digital stereo with built-in Bluetooth and AM or FM radio comes equipped with a set of 4 speakers. The waterproof speakers enable a surround sound experience, while a remote control ensures you can skip songs anywhere. Pyle's Marine Radio System comes with a 30-station memory, ideal for when you need to keep track of your favorite channels. There's an illuminated front panel for checking channel information, and a Bluetooth connection too. The Bluetooth link means you can easily stream music wirelessly from your device, or answer the phone, thanks to a built-in microphone. An excellent all-in-one solution for the modern sailing enthusiast, the Pyle Marine Head Unit Kit is a fantastic investment. This convenient kit comes with a range of playback options, including the option to plug in your own devices through an SD card or USB stick. It's also standard size, for easier installation. Pros: 30-station memory included. LCD display with easy-to-use controls. Fantastic set of 4 speakers. Remote control and hands-free calling. USB and SD card reader. Cons: the case can be a little fiddly to install. Number 3. Third best pick is Cobra Mr. HH350 FLT, best handheld. If you're looking for a radio you can keep handy when you're working on your boat, the Cobra Mr. HH350 could be the ideal choice. This 6-watt radio won't play your FM or AM channels, but it will give you peace of mind by ensuring you stay connected to your crew. The submersible handheld radio floats on the water and comes with NOAA weather reports. A noise-canceling microphone makes it easy to speak to your contacts as clearly as possible. There's also a backlit display for tracking information, like which channel you're on. A burp feature also ensures you can vibrate any excess water out of your speaker grill after the radio gets wet. The ultimate all-in-one device for keeping you safe and informed when out at sea, the Cobra Handheld Marine Radio is completely sea-ready. This device even comes with access to an automatic scanning feature, to help you find channels where people are active during emergency situations. Pros: excellent coverage. Great for quick scanning. Noise-canceling microphone. Easy to clear your communication system. Good IPX7 rating. Cons. No AM or FM channels. Not the best at showing battery level. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Uniden 385 Mauritanian Ugias, best emergency. The term marine radio could apply to a tool used to keep you entertained when you're traveling through your local waterways. It's also the title people use to define emergency radios, intended for maintaining communication with other boats. This Uniden 385 Mauritanian Ugias is a marine radio designed for ease of use and peace of mind. With a triple watch function to let you track multiple channels at once, and a IPX4 waterproof rating, the Uniden has it all. This helpful emergency radio includes all NOAA weather channels and alerts, plus there's a DSC feature. Digital selective calling functionalities include position send and request, and distress panic buttons. Promising better protection when you're in the more unforgiving parts of the ocean, the Uniden 385 Mauritanian Ugias is an excellent product for any boat captain. This device, with its backlit screen for easy visibility, is ready to connect you to other boats and groups whenever you need extra help. Pros. Comprehensive channel coverage. Emergency weather alerts. IPX4 waterproofing performance. Selective calling for emergency help. Triple channel watching. Cons. Complicated installation. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Kenwood KMR D378BT, best with Alexa. One of the best marine radio options for modern boat owners, the Kenwood KMR D378BT is a convenient device featuring Bluetooth streaming and Alexa access. The Alexa button enables quick and easy support from your digital assistant, so you can find your favorite channels and enjoy the music you love in no time. Bluetooth connectivity allows users to stream their favorite content straight from their smartphone. You can even connect up to 5 Bluetooth devices at the same time. This means everyone gets a chance to take control of the audio. Front USB inputs allow you to load up albums saved to a flash drive. There's also access to digital radio for checking the news. This marine radio with CD player is one of the most versatile options on the market, with marine control support built in, and access to Sirius XM. You can adjust your EQ with the device or the remote application and charge your smartphone through the rapid charge port. There's even an option to customize the display. Pros. Excellent Bluetooth streaming. Access to Amazon Alexa. USB device charging function. Graphic and drive EQ control. Access to a range of great apps. Cons. No waterproofing certification. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.